How are you guys? How have you been? This one is heavy. This one is grateful. This one has a lot of happiness. I don't know what guys I can give you. So far, so good. The Lord has done it. Guys, you have done so good. And you know what? I came here just to say thank you. Okay, guys, you have shown your support. And a quick update is that, guys, mmefanya ile kitu. But you guys, you have just proven and given me an hint that I can make it. So far, so good. Guess what? Guess what? 500 watch hours. 500 watch hours. The thing is, I came to understand consistency. Just as a push, it gets you higher and higher. That one single minute watch time, it accounts. It doesn't go in vain. And you know what? I'm not stopping. We are continuing. This is just a clip of a video of say thank you. I can't reach all of you guys, but so far so good. Another thing is, guys, we are at 500 subscribers and 500 watch hours. Let's move together. Continue supporting me. I'll not let you guys down. Tukifika 1000 subscribers and we monetize this channel, guys. Oh, tufanye tu hivyo, then you will see. I'll be giving you daily vlogs. I won't mind what's the time, but lazima nikuje, guys, niwapatie anything that will be moving with me in this channel, because this channel is for family. And if you guys, you do this one, I promise you guys, mtanipenda na roho zenyu zote. For now, let's call it a day. Let's call it a wrap. And you know what? For that person who have not subscribed, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And what do I say? Bye-bye for now.